Hi, welcome back to another episode of Spot the Knot. I know, I've let my guard down in the previous episode because a whopping 66% of you guessed the correct answer. Yes, the heart is the fake toy crystal. Well done, all of you. Here are the correct answers that I've received. Most of you pointed out that the shadows were too jittery and that the reflection is not consistent with the ones from the other crystals. I would have to pay attention to all those aspects when working with similar scenes in the future. Here's the percentages of all the answers I've received. Here's a breakdown of how the scene was made. The footage was shot with some extra items to give me additional features for motion tracking. The hard toy crystal was modeled based on its real counterpart. Because it is mostly transparent, modeling the details on the inside is a must for this scene. To get the same shadows that the other crystals have, I had to use 3 area lights to mimic the natural light coming in from the window nearby. Compositing was pretty straightforward. Everything was layered down one by one, and the other props on the table were removed to make the scene cleaner. For this episode, you're going to examine these eggs. All of them are real, except for one. Can you spot the knot? As with before, I'll narrow down the options for you to guess to only 5. The 3 eggs on the top row are certified real. Please leave your answer in the comments, along with a short analysis of how you've arrived at that conclusion. And I will feature the correct answers in the next episode, together with the breakdown of how I made the scene. Of course, there will also be a new scene for you to spot the knot. So please subscribe if you want to get notified for when the next episode is uploaded. Thank you for watching, keep it real, I'll see you again in the next episode.